This is Tim calling, coming at you again from Senior Leads Boost with another Tips Tuesday video. Today's tip is regarding the use of the Notes field in the HighLevel CRM that we provide to our Senior Leads Boost clients. So here goes. This is an example of a contact record in a demo account that we use in HighLevel. HighLevel is an outstanding marketing automation platform. Sometimes it's also called a CRM or customer relationship management software. And it has many fine features. One of the interesting parts of HighLevel is that for a given contact record, you can have notes. So, for instance, in this demo account, we've set up a contact named John Smith. And over here, we have notes that we've created for John Smith. Now, a question that comes up from time to time is, how can we print these notes? Well, it turns out that at this time, HighLevel does not make it easy to print all the notes at once. So what I'll be showing you today are two kind of workarounds. One of them is to export the contract record that we're looking at. I'm not going to go into all the details of how that is done. That would be a topic for another day's video. But the thing that you need to know about that approach is that it will only export as part of this CSV export file. It'll only export the last note or the most recent note. So in our little demo example here for John Smith, we have three notes. We have one, and then a second one, and then a third one. And so in this example, it would only really export this note as part of the CSV record for John Smith. That's not always what you want. Sometimes you want all of the notes to be able to be printed. So here's a trick to use for now. Now, this isn't elegant. It's what we used to call a kludge back when I was doing programming work. Kind of crude but effective, but it does work. And that is simply this. You, with your mouse, highlight the notes records that you want to print out, and then you copy them to the clipboard, and then you bring up a text editor program. It could be Microsoft Word. It could be Google Docs online. It could even be Notepad, which is what I will use in this example. And we'll run Notepad. And then we can paste it in. And there we go. So is it pretty? No. But does it work so that you can print these notes out? Yeah, it does. So for the moment, that's one way, probably the easiest way at this time, to print all of the notes for a contact record in HighLevel. I hope this has been helpful. We certainly do our best to be specialists in helping our clients use HighLevel as part of our overall marketing automation tool set in Senior Leads Boost. And if you're looking for this kind of help for your senior related company, please give us a call. There's contact information at the end of this video. We'd love to take your questions and see if we can help you. And otherwise, have a great rest of the week, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.